All right, happy 2026, everyone. A new year is so much more than just flipping a page on the calendar. It's a real chance for a fresh start, a chance to live a little more, work a little smarter, and really focus on what actually matters. So let's dive into this simple but super powerful idea: living better, not just busier. So let's just start with the most important question of all. Seriously, take a second and ask yourself, are you actually living your life, or are you just busy? It's that feeling, right? Like we're all just running on a hamster wheel, going faster and faster, but not really getting anywhere. And this really lays out the two paths we can take, doesn't it? On one side, you've got the busy life. I think we all know what that feels like. It's stress, it's burnout, it's that endless, mindless scrolling on our phones. It's a life of just surviving. But then on the other side, there's the better life, one that's filled with energy, with real moments, and with actually enjoying the journey. That's the shift we're aiming for. Okay, so where do we start? Well, we start with the most important pillar of all, your health. This is the foundation that literally everything else is built on. I mean, think about it. If you don't have your health, nothing else really works, does it? This is the new mindset we've got to adopt. We need to completely reframe why we stay fit. It is not about getting six-pack abs or hitting some impossible physical ideal. No, it's about fueling your body for what really matters. It's for having the energy to chase your passions, the confidence to just be yourself, and, the longevity to enjoy it all. And the commitment is so much simpler than you think. We're just talking about daily movement. Just 30 minutes a day, that's it. This could be a walk, some stretching, yoga, a quick workout at home, anything that your body is going to thank you for. It's all about consistency, not crazy intensity. All right, our second pillar builds right on top of that foundation of health. It's about achieving freedom through smart work. For way too long, the rule has been to work more to earn more. But the new rule, it's all about working smarter. And this right here is the ultimate goal. The whole purpose of earning more isn't just to pile up money, it's to buy back your time and your freedom. When you do it smartly, more income should actually reduce your stress, not add to it. So how do we actually do it? How do we work smarter? Well, it really comes down to three key things. First, always be learning new skills to increase your value. Second, start creating new income streams, maybe a side hustle. And third, use technology as a tool that serves you, not as a source of distraction. And speaking of distractions, that brings us perfectly to our third pillar, getting back control of our digital lives. This is all about making a conscious choice every single day to prioritize real life over that endless scroll. And look, we have to be brutally honest with ourselves here. We all scroll too much. It's this quiet habit that just steals hours from our days and focus from our minds. But just acknowledging the problem, that's the first step to fixing it. Why does this matter so much? Because of this one simple truth. The most important, beautiful, and meaningful moments of your entire life, they are almost never going to happen while you're staring at a screen. They're happening out there in the real world. Just think about the trade-offs we're making every single day. We're trading real, face-to-face conversations for virtual connections. We're swapping authentic, messy, beautiful experiences for these perfectly curated moments online. And we're chasing digital validation from strangers instead of true self-fulfillment. I mean, is that trade really worth it? And that leads us straight to our fourth and final pillar, which is all about fulfillment. This is where we put everything together. Life isn't supposed to be some game of survival. It's an experience we're meant to actually enjoy. So what are the ingredients for this quality life? Well, it's about spending real time with friends, laughing more, talking more. It's about reading books to sharpen our focus and gain a little wisdom. It's taking holidays to actually rest and recharge, not just to work from a different location. And it's about getting out there, traveling and exploring this amazing world around us. And this really brings us to the most important takeaway of all. Stop postponing your happiness. Someday is this dream that, let's be honest, often never shows up. The real time to live, to love, and to enjoy is right now, today. So let's bring this all home. By building that foundation of health, working smarter to get our freedom back, controlling our digital lives, and focusing on quality experiences, that's how we create the framework for our best year yet. If you only take one thing away from all this, please let it be this. This is the motto for 2026. Make the conscious decision every single day to choose real life over virtual likes. And so I'll leave you with a question to really think about. Forget about a long list of resolutions you're going to forget by February. What is your one promise to yourself for 2026? What is that one change that will help you live better, not just busier?